If you've been seeing long ads claiming a secret memory breakthrough that can instantly boost focus and mental clarity, you've probably come across Memopezil, a nootropic supplement marketed as a cognitive enhancer promising sharper thinking, better recall, and improved brain performance. The promotional videos tell a compelling story about a hidden method to restore memory and unlock mental power. But by the end of the funnel, viewers are directed toward purchasing a supplement presented as the solution. After examining the marketing structure, ingredient positioning, and user feedback patterns, it becomes clear that Memopezil follows a familiar bait-and-switch model. Attention-grabbing storytelling leads into the sale of a generic formula positioned as a breakthrough discovery. The campaign relies heavily on perceived authority and trust signals, including references to well-known doctors such as Dr. Ben Carson and Dr. Sanjay Gupta, despite no verified endorsement from these figures. Claims suggesting FDA approval and strong clinical backing are presented in a way that can mislead viewers, while many testimonials appear overly scripted, A-narrated, or lacking verifiable authenticity. Instead of transparent scientific explanations, the marketing leans on emotional narratives designed to create urgency and hope. The supplement itself appears similar to many rebranded cognitive blends commonly sold through affiliate funnels, raising questions about whether the product offers anything unique. While some ingredients found in memory supplements may support general brain health, the dramatic claims presented in the advertising do not align with established scientific evidence. For anyone considering Memopezil, it's important to approach the offer with critical thinking, verify claims independently, and recognize how persuasive marketing can shape perception when evaluating cognitive health products.